Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make bread from scratch. I have 1.5 cup of Greek yogurt. You can use plain yogurt if you want. I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I have olive oil. I'll put the ingredients in the description below. 2 eggs. So you're going to whisk till it's smooth. Once you've whisked and everything is smooth, then you're going to add the dry ingredients. The dry ingredient includes 1.5 cup of flour. I'm using self-rising flour to bake this bread. So that's 1.5 cup of flour. Okay. Yep. And then once that is done, all you have to do is just mix till it's together, but you don't want to mix it too much. Just mix it till it's smooth. And then once that is smooth like this, you're going to bake it in the oven. I'm trying something different by putting it on a parchment paper to see how it turns out, and then you can put it in a baking pan if you want. So you're going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes to bake till it bakes. And then once that is done, you're ready to go. So that's all you need. It's very delicious. No sugar needed. It's very healthy. Okay, and that's what it is. So here I'm putting in the rest of the mixture in a baking pan. Okay, shake it up till it's smooth, and then you bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. I'm doing 35 minutes. Here you can use a toothpick to check to see if it's done. This is what it looks like, the first one, and then this is what it looks like with the second one. I put in there, and then it's done. So after it's baked, you let it cool down for a few minutes before you cut it up. So this is what it looks like. It's nice and fluffy, soft and delicious. No sugar, healthy. Alright, it's optional if you want to add anything in it, but thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching.